This isn't just a streaming device anymore. It's a total transformation of your living room experience. With the A17 Pro chip, Wi-Fi 7 support, AI-powered features, and even the possibility of a built-in FaceTime camera, Apple is gearing up to redefine the smart home ecosystem. And if the latest leaks are accurate, the Apple TV 2025 could arrive as soon as October, during Apple's major fall event, right before the holiday season. So, in today's deep dive, we're uncovering every leak, hidden feature, design change, and price rumor that's turning this upgrade into Apple's next big home innovation. Trust me, this Apple TV isn't just smarter. It's about to change how we live, play, and connect. Let's get into it. The next Apple TV, beyond streaming insiders are calling this Apple TV the start of Apple's smart living revolution. Why? Because this isn't just about watching shows. It's about creating a connected home powered by artificial intelligence. The new Apple TV 2025 could be the central brain of your smart home, syncing your iPhone, iPad, HomePod, and even Apple Vision Pro, turning your living room into a seamless, intelligent space. Apple's strategy is clear. Make the Apple TV more than entertainment. Make it essential. The A17 Pro chip, a tiny box with console-class power. At the heart of this transformation is Apple's A17 Pro processor, the same silicon that powers the iPhone 15 Pro and iPad mini 7, built on TSMC's 3nm process. This chip delivers faster performance, improved efficiency, and serious gaming horsepower. Apple isn't just giving you smoother streaming, it's giving you a mini console. Imagine playing Resident Evil Village or No Man's Sky at 4K HDR, 60 frames per second. No console, no fan noise, no lag. Just pure performance from a device smaller than your palm. Leaks also hint at 8GB of RAM, double what the current Apple TV offers, meaning faster multitasking, improved AI responsiveness, and better handling of advanced Siri interactions. This is the most powerful Apple TV ever made. Apple Intelligence, the smartest Apple TV yet, with Apple Intelligence rolling out across iPhones, Macs, and iPads. It's only natural for Apple to bring AI to the living room. The A17 Pro chip is more than capable of running Apple's on-device AI models, which means the next-gen Siri on tvOS 19 could finally feel human. Picture this. Hey Siri, play the latest episode of Ted Lasso. Who's the actor playing the coach again? And Siri just answers naturally without restarting the query. That's Apple's new context-aware AI, and it's coming to your TV. We're talking about personalized recommendations, AI-powered search, and voice-driven smart home control, all handled privately. Right on the device, built-in FaceTime camera, a game-changer. One of the most exciting leaks? Apple is reportedly testing a built-in camera system for the new Apple TV. Until now, FaceTime on Apple TV required your iPhone's continuity camera, but imagine making FaceTime calls directly from your couch, without setting up a phone. Instant connection, crystal clear video. And thanks to Apple's processing, automatic subject tracking and background blur could make your calls look studio-level sharp. This would be a massive leap for families, remote workers, and even classroom sessions, all from your TV. Gesture controls and spatial interaction. Now here's where Apple's futuristic vision shines. Sources suggest Apple might add gesture-based controls using that built-in camera, borrowing tech from visionOS and Apple Vision Pro. Imagine this. You pause a movie with a simple hand wave. Adjust volume with a pinch gesture. Navigate menus just by pointing. It's subtle, immersive, and futuristic, blending AR, AI, and entertainment in one elegant experience. This could be the first step toward bringing spatial computing into every living room. The $99 shock, Apple's smartest move. Yet Apple TV has always been the premium choice, $129 and up. But for 2025, the rumor mill says, Apple is about to make a bold move, a $99 Apple TV, yes, a sub-$100 device running the same A17 Pro chip as the iPhone 15 Pro. Industry analyst Ming Chi Kuo suggests Apple wants to capture the mass market, directly challenging Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and Google Chromecast. If Apple really launches an AI-powered 4K Wi-Fi 7 Apple TV at $99, it won't just compete, it'll dominate. The heart of the smart home, HomeKit. Supercharged Apple's next TV box might also serve as a smart home control center, capable of managing your entire HomeKit network. lights, locks, security cams, thermostats, all intelligently optimized through Apple Intelligence. Expect AI-powered routines. Hey Siri, it's movie night. Lights dim, curtains close. Apple TV launches Disney Plus automatically, and with tvOS 19, Apple is reportedly redesigning the interface. Cleaner layouts, adaptive tiles, personalized AI recommendations, and direct integration with Apple Music, Fitness Plus, and Arcade.Apple TV 2025 isn't just an entertainment box. It's becoming the command center of your digital lifestyle. Design and build, compact, cool, and minimal visually. Don't expect a radical overhaul, but subtle perfection. Insiders mention a smaller, sleeker chassis, improved heat management, and silent operation thanks to better internal cooling. Apple might add a matte space black finish and even a redesigned Siri remote with upgraded haptics, a U1 chip for Find My tracking, and possibly color options matching the new iPhone lineup. It's elegance meets engineering. Sustainability. Smarter, faster, greener, Apple continues to lead in eco-friendly design. The 2025 Apple TV is rumored to use 100% recycled aluminum, halogen-free components, and achieve ultra-low power consumption with the A17 Pro's 3nm efficiency. Instant wake, lower standby power, and silent operation, all while contributing to Apple's 2030 carbon neutral goal. It's not just innovation, it's responsible innovation. Release timeline, October 2025. Event incoming reports from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and supply chain leaks confirm the Apple TV 2025 is in final production stages, expected to debut at Apple's October event alongside other fall products. Pre-orders could open immediately after the event, with a launch window around November 2025, right in time for the holiday shopping rush. Apple knows what it's doing, and this timing could make the Apple TV one of the most gifted tech items of the year. Final thoughts. Apple's sleeper hit of 2025 at first glance. It's easy to say it's just a TV box, but this is Apple's biggest leap in home entertainment yet. You're getting A17 Pro chip with console-grade performance Wi-Fi, 7 plus Bluetooth 6 Apple Intelligence AI, integration built-in FaceTime camera gesture control, plus smart home hub features tvOS 19 redesign, and possibly a $99 price tag. That's not just an upgrade, that's a revolution. Apple's turning your TV into the brain of your home, combining AI, gaming, communication, and entertainment in one beautiful, future-ready device. And if this launches under $100, it could easily become the sleeper hit of 2025, so what do you think? Is this the Apple TV upgrade you've been waiting for? Would you grab one if Apple really sells it for $99, or stick with your current setup? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you love deep dives like this, hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more Apple leaks, gadget breakdowns, and next-gen tech news, right here on Trove.